To my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. Now before we begin with the product review, I want to show you guys some of the latest additions to my Ana Luisa jewelry collection. New pieces are released in limited batches every Friday, so when I know it's my time to pick my pieces for the next campaign, there's always something new to look forward to, and I can find pieces that will suit me whatever the mood I'm in for the season. They have an incredibly wide range of jewelry to choose from, and what's really amazing is that Ana Luisa's collection features lab-grown diamonds, gold-plated brass, and gold-plated sterling silver. And if you're not sure what piece to choose, they have a huge selection of jewelry sets and bundles available in all kinds of styles. For the month of December, I decided to go with some stunning, sparkly gold jewelry. Perfect to wear for any kind of holiday occasion, and that can be easily paired with any other kind of Ana Luisa jewelry. I prefer using something a little bit more simplistic so that it's easier to pair together. These pieces featuring lab-grown diamonds and cubic zirconia are the perfect pieces for any kind of winter look. I like the bit of sparkly that it gives to any kind of style that I'm wearing. Right now, one of my favorite pieces is the Hadley bracelet. It's this super gorgeous, simplistic bracelet that can be worn for everyday use or for special occasions or going out. This stunning accessory is made of 14 karat gold on brass, and I love it because it snugly fits around my wrist without feeling like it's going to break off. I have so many beautiful pieces from them, and I am so in love with every single one that I have. Even something as simple as this bar necklace can entirely change your whole outfit. These are my new favorites from Ana Luisa. Make sure to give them a look. I have a promo code for 20% off, so make sure you check the link in the description box below and embark on your journey towards sustainable jewelry. We're gonna keep this video short and sweet. So basically, I turned my hair blue, and then I've had a lot of trouble trying to get it out. So as you can tell, there's a little bit of green. This is actually a lot better than it was. We're dealing with a little bit of green tints. I've tried to neutralize it the best I can with whatever dyes I have, and it just keeps coming back. And oh yeah, you can really see it here. Oh yeah, amazing. So we're gonna dye my hair using the 674 from WELLA. It's the Koleston Perfect. I already did a strand test just to double check that it's actually going to take out the green, and it is in here. Yes, it is this guy here. This is the strand test. So as you can see here, turned out pretty good. There's a little bit of the other hair mixed in here, but I did the strand test just to make sure that my hair actually turns out this time, because I've been fixing it and dyeing it and fixing it for the last week, and I just need it to be brown for when I go to New York. So let's get dyeing, and hope this turns out. So I have a little bit of dye left over from the strand test that I did, so I'm gonna go ahead and coat that on my hair. Then I'm gonna do the measurements for the next batch, which is gonna do like my whole head. Okay, so now I have whatever remaining dye I had left on this side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So I have here the tube. I'm gonna be using the 20 volume developer. This is the WELLA Koleston Perfect. I'm gonna use probably almost this whole tube. This tube is 2 ounces. Really? That's it? It's just 2 ounces? Anyways, so then I would use 2 ounces of the developer to match it, and then it's gonna activate and work in my hair. All right, so I've got my mixture here. It kind of looks like yogurt. All right, let's go. Now, the fun part about this is when I did the strand test, you can see how much more green this is coming out. The good thing is that this eventually turns brown, but basically, yeah, it started to freak me out when I saw how green this was getting. But don't be alarmed, this is going to fade to brown. But yeah, you can see all the blue that it's trying to work out. Oh my God, I'm never dyeing my hair blue again. Okay, so my hair's fully coated. It's going through all kinds of stuff right now. I'm so messy with this job right now because right now it's what? It's 11:30 p.m. I'm going to New York tomorrow. I I'm just gonna shower and wipe all, oh my God. Yeah, I was really lazy with this today. I rushed. Yeah, that's why there's stuff everywhere. Normally I don't rush these videos so much in this process, but I am just so sick of having this hair not work out, and I just really want it to work out. Anyways, and I still have to pack and do other stuff. Oh man, I really should have worn gloves for this. Oh, my hands are all dirty. Wear gloves, don't be like me. So I'm gonna leave this on for about half an hour, and I'll rinse it out and hope that my hair is no longer green.